Sanjay Uvacha Ityaham Vasudevasya Parthasya cha Mahatmanaha Sauvadamimam Shrausham Adbhutam Romaharshanam.
Sanjaya says, I have thus heard this extraordinary dialogue between Vasudeva, son of Vasudeva, and the great soul Partha, son of Pritha, making my hair stand on end, Roma Harshanam. This inspiration Sanjaya gets because of the fact that the word Sanjaya itself means victorious. Sanjaya is one who is victorious over his own mind and senses. And when you exercise this control over yourself, the world appears differently. It appears adbhuta, extraordinary, marvelous. And every moment of your life you are inspired, your hair stands on end because you have opened your heart up to this divine entity. Today when you wake up weighed down by problems. You wake up and say, oh God, I have to go to the lawyer to set this right, and I have to go to the doctor to set something else right, and I have to set my whole life right. But once you exercise this little bit of control over yourself, Sanjaya, then you see this world as adbhutam. You wake up in the morning and say, what an ethereal air I breathe. You look out of the window, see the sun rise, and say, what a magnificent manifestation of divinity. You hear the birds sing, even in this concrete jungle. This morning, I heard the most amazing birds. Where do they come from? Who looks after them? How do they get this sweet voice? Such gentleness. You go out for a walk, the pleasant summer breeze, so refreshing. Where does that come from? You come back home, you eat something and you wonder, what is this fantastic digestive system that is in place? Like in the 15th chapter he says, I am that Jataragni, the fire that consumes the food and digests it, and so on and so forth. You begin to see miracles in life, for which you have to be Sanjaya. Then you see this extraordinary dialogue between Vasudeva. You know what happens is, if you are ready for it, ready for the knowledge, if two people are discussing something, the person who's listening may not get it. Arjuna did not get it. He did not get it right till the end. But Sanjaya got it. And he goes into raptures in these last few verses. So that's what you need to do. You need to fine-tune your personality so that you may gather honey from a weed, as a poet has said. Where is the honey? It's not in the weed, it's within you. But once you gain that power, you can be happy in any circumstances. Next verse.